Hello everybody, welcome to my how to shop online video today. I'm just going to quickly walk you through how to actually shop online. So come over here to my blog, so www.libbystamps.com. Come down here to the right hand side and click on the shop button. It will open up another page, which is the Stampin Up page. And it says here, you are shopping with Libby Dyson. Now, if you've already got an account, you'll click sign in and you'll just log in there because you're a returning customer. You'll put all your details in there and shop as you normally would. Alright, I'm just going to go out of that and come in as a new customer. I'm going to come over here to create account and click on that. Alright, so today I'm going to put in, I'm just going to make up some stuff today for the purposes of the video. So I'm just going to put in my email. Alright, so I've got my email address in there twice because you need to confirm your email. Then I need to come up with a password. Now my password needs to be 5 characters in length and a combination of letters and numbers. So I'm going to type that in twice, once in the password column and then again over here. And I've confirmed my password. Then I need to go in and pick a security question. So I might pick any one. What was the name of your first stuffed animal, for instance? And you'll type in the name there. Alright, so you're going to type in your details and go on down there. You'll type in your phone number here. Now if you're putting in your landline, it is 2 digits followed by 4 digits followed by 4 digits. If you're putting in your mobile, it's 4 digits followed by 3 digits followed by 3 digits. Alright, so if your shipping address is different, well, you'll have to tick that box and fill in more details, but for the purposes of this video I'm just going to click continue. Sorry, my home phone number is invalid. Alright, so I'll click continue. Alright, and now I'm shopping with Libby Dyson. Libby is shopping with Libby Dyson up here. Alright, now if you want to look for a product, you'll type in, say, circles, framelits, and it'll come up here. Layering circles, or you can click search and it'll bring up anything that's got to do with circles. Alright, so I'm just going to click on this and add it to my bag. I'm going to view my shopping bag. Now down here I need to add my hostess code. Just wait while I grab that. So if you've got it written down somewhere, just type it in there and you're going to click apply and it'll come up here and tell you the host code has been applied to this order. Alright, then you're going to come over here to, once you've put all your items in your shopping basket, click checkout and over here you'll put in all your details for your name, your billing address, your shipping, your phone number. It has to have a phone number for it to ship, and then you'll choose your credit card. You'll put in your credit card number. On the back of your credit card, it's got these 3 little digits, so you'll put that in there. You'll put the expiry date there, and then you'll click continue. Now, because I'm making this order up, I can't go any further. But once you've clicked continue, it'll come up with a page that says just check that your order is correct, and then you click submit, which will be a button like this, but it'll say submit, and then it'll come up with a page where it's got up here, it'll have your order number, and it'll also have a button that you can print, so you can press that and print your order if you want to. But you will get an email that says what your order is, so you'll get 2 emails. One email will say thank you for your order, and your order is such and such, and then a little while later, once your items have been packed, you will get another email from Stampin Up, which will have a tracking number on it, and you can click on that tracking number and track your parcel through Australia Post. So that's it for today. I just thought I'd bring you that quick video to show you how to shop online, and I look forward to your orders, and thanks so much for supporting me and my small business. Alright, bye for now.
Hey, if you wanna play, make it about a place. It'll take creation